In today's video, I am going to show you how to transfer money to your Payoneer card so you can easily access your funds when you need them. This is a simple process and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Payoneer website. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual username and password. When you successfully log in, you'll be taken to your Payoneer dashboard. From here, look for the withdraw option in the menu and select to bank account. Depending on your account layout, this is where you'll also find the option to move money from your Payoneer balance to your Payoneer card. Next, choose the balance or card you want to move money from. If you have multiple currency balances or more than one card, make sure you select the correct one so the right funds are transferred. Now enter the amount you want to move onto your card. Take a second to double check the number before continuing so you don't send the wrong amount by mistake. Once the amount is entered, review all the details on the screen including any applicable fees and the final transfer amount. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click submit to confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your money will now be transferred from your Payoneer balance to your Payoneer card automatically, so you can use it for purchases or ATM withdrawals just like any other card. I hope this guide helped you understand how to move money to your Payoneer card quickly and easily. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for simple finance and payment guides.